Hi there, this is Greg with Cornhole Central. Just wanted to give you a real quick look at how to use our tool to find cornhole anywhere. The first thing you can do when you click this location finder on our homepage is click near your location. I'm currently in San Jose, California, so that will automatically bring up a list of all the clubs, tournaments, and places to play near you. This is pretty well fleshed out because I've done it myself. If you're looking someplace not quite as big a bag scene, let's say near Knoxville. Google will queue up a couple answers for us near Knoxville, Tennessee. And here we're going to get a bunch of clubs, but as you can see, some of these are pretty far out. They get up over an hour. This is ranked by distance. So if we want to drill in and just see the ones that are closer, we can change the distance that it's searching by to within, let's say, 60 miles. And that will take us to a list just of clubs. You can see we got aces and eights. There's a map over here. Aces and eights 21 miles away, and Tennessee Valley out to the east. So generally speaking, the events calendar across the board is pretty whack these days because of COVID-19, but if you look up the tool, use the tool to look up cornhole near you, you find a club that's in the area, you can go check them out, get a little bit of information. They're around Sevierville. You can go visit their homepage and see what they got going on. Reach out, send them a message, see if they got some bags you can throw. Anyway, that's how you use Cornhole Central to find bags near you. Hope it's helpful. Let me know if you have any questions.